Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Subaru Forester key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you wish to program for your vehicle. Make sure your car's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. Then, sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed and unlocked. Next, insert your key into the ignition. Quickly turn the key from the lock position to the on position 10 times within 15 seconds. Do not start the engine. You should hear a single honk from your car's horn, indicating that the vehicle has successfully entered programming mode. With the car in programming mode, open and then close the driver's door. Now, take your first key fob and press any button on it. Listen for 3 chirps from the horn, which confirms that this key fob has been successfully programmed. If you have more key fobs, repeat the door open/close and button press for each one. To exit programming mode, simply turn your ignition key to the off position and remove it. Finally, test each of your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they lock and unlock your Subaru Forester correctly. If a fob doesn't work, you may need to repeat the entire process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.